Hello friends, here on this video, if you are facing that whenever somebody is calling, suppose your parents, your sister or your friends, it's calling you, but the sound is ringing, but you don't find the on the screen there is no incoming call, it's not showing. Okay, so how you can solve this problem? Or sometimes whenever you pick up the call but nobody can hear your voice. Okay, you talk and you does not mute your mic, but it's not outgoing voice. Okay, so there is many problems, but I will solve this all the problems right now. I'll show you the solution. And friends, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. At first friends, here you have to install this Google file, then you have to move on Google file. After you move on Google file, here you are going to find this app. So friends, you have to tap on apps. After you move on apps, here's the second icon. You are going to find under the apps, install apps, under system apps and the app install file. Okay, but you have to click on system apps. After you move on system apps, from here you have to search for the Google file. Okay, you just keep searching for the Google file. If you don't get, also you have to search slowly, not by firstly. If you are not first, then you should not search for the firstly. Okay, you can search slowly by slowly. Where is the Google file? Okay, so here I didn't get my Google file, then here under the system apps, so I just search under the install apps because I install it not under the system, so that's why I will find you are going to find under the install apps. Okay, after you found these files by Google, then here you have to tap on this three dot icon. After you move on three dot icon, here you have to click on app information. Then after that, from here you have to just tap on these permissions icons. Oh sorry, you have to just directly move on storage. When you move on storage, from here you can even demanage your storage also, but friends, you have to clear the data. Okay, here's the clear data. After clear data, if it's not working, then obviously you have to move on this manage storage. After that, you have to delete app data. When you delete your app data, here it says files by Google will permanently delete the following app data from your device. Files in save folder, favorite, settings. File of such your save folder will not be deleted. Okay, so if you don't have any files on your Google files, then it's okay, you just move on delete icon. Okay, then after that, after delete on it, here you have to activate this all things. Okay, especially the main option is you have to activate the notification. Do not forget to activate this notification, allow notification. Okay, if you forget it, it's big mistake for you. And here's the formations icon, and when you move on formations, you have to allow everything. No, not photos and videos. I'm not telling you to allow the photos and videos also. It's not compulsory to allow the photos and videos, or you can say camera. Okay, so that's why it's okay, you just not allow, but you should allow the notifications and the example like example like you can say storage you have to activate, and the mic you have to activate. There is many options that you can have to activate under the permissions. Okay, if you don't activate it, it will not work whenever people is calling you. Okay, so friends, you may be confused that how I'm talking about the call app, but I show up the Google file. So it's okay, it's the same thing for the call app also. You just move on Google file, the same thing, only you have to do the same thing for the apps that you are facing the problem. Okay, here's the call app, so you have to move on call app. I just show you the steps. Okay, if you are confusing, then I show up again this video app info. Then after that, clear the storage from here. Okay, after that, if you clear the data from here, then you have to allow the notifications. Here I have explained you, if you don't turn on incoming calls, then incoming calls will not show up, and here missed calls, outgoing calls will not outgoing call problem if you don't activate this one. Okay, that's why you have to activate this all, especially the permissions for the contacts, microphone. If you don't activate, I have told you already. Okay, phone you have to allow this all. Camera, it's not important so much, so it's okay as you wish. It's mainly example like for the Instagram, you need everything this all, but you don't need this call logs, or you can say contact, no need to activate for the Instagram, but you have to activate for the call logs or contacts for the call app WhatsApp. Okay, you have to activate even for the WhatsApp, you have to even activate the camera photos also. So that's why you have to understand that which one I have to allow in which app, where to allow, where not to allow. Okay, this is the main thing. Okay, friend. So friends, thanks for watching. Hope you understand this steps. Okay, hope I'm not confuse you. And friends, if you understand, then please just like the button.